For centuries, mining has been a cornerstone of human civilization. We dug into the earth with simple tools searching for essential resources. From flint for tools to coal for fuel, mining provided the materials that built empires and powered progress. However, traditional mining came with huge risks. The work was dangerous and often impacted the environment. Now, a new era is upon us. We are witnessing a technological revolution in mining, powered by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving a brain to machines. It allows them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and even translation between languages. In mining, AI is changing everything from exploration to extraction. It's revolutionizing the industry by making processes more efficient, safer, and more sustainable. AI-driven technologies are being integrated into every step of the mining process. Imagine drones with AI mapping vast areas, analyzing data, and pinpointing the best locations for mining. This is happening now. These drones can cover large territories quickly and provide real-time data, which helps in making informed decisions. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of geological data to predict where valuable ores are located with incredible accuracy. This predictive capability reduces the time and cost associated with traditional exploration methods. This means less guesswork, less digging in the wrong places, and less impact on the environment. By minimizing unnecessary excavation, AI helps preserve natural landscapes and promotes sustainable mining practices, ensuring that mining activities are more eco-friendly. AI isn't just changing where we mine, it's changing how we mine. AI-powered machines are taking on tasks that were previously too dangerous or difficult for humans. Self-driving trucks and trains are transporting ore and waste materials, optimizing routes, and reducing human error. In processing plants, AI systems can sort and separate minerals with laser-like precision, maximizing resource recovery and reducing waste. AI is making mining more efficient, productive, and cost-effective. Section 4. Safety First. AI as a guardian in the mines. Safety is paramount in mining, and AI is playing a vital role in creating safer working environments. The integration of AI technology in mining operations